In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix the memory limit exhausted error in WordPress. Web service set a limit on the amount of computer memory that can be assigned to a script. Thus, if one of your scripts needs more memory than what is allocated, it runs out of memory and you see the WordPress Allowed memory size exhausted error. There are two methods to fix this error. First is by increasing the WordPress memory limit, and second is to get rid of the script that requires more memory. Let's start with the first method. You can manually increase the memory limit in WordPress by editing the wp-config file. So, log into your cPanel account, then click on File Manager. Since I am working on my subdomain, I will look for that folder. If you're working on your main domain, then open this folder called Public HTML. Double-click on the folder to open it. This is where all our WordPress files are located. You can see that there is a file named wp-config.php. Right-click on the file. You can download this file as a backup by clicking here. Then click on Edit. This pop-up is nothing but a reminder to back up this file. Click on Edit again. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for this line, "That's all, stop editing, happy blogging." Just above this line, paste this code. I will put this code on the description below. This code will increase your WP memory limit to 128 megabytes. Save this file and then close it. Now try accessing your website. If you're still seeing the same error, then this memory size may still be insufficient. You can fix this by changing the PHP memory limit to 256 MB or even 512 MB. The previous fix can help you quickly get out of this WordPress memory limit issue. But there are situations where it is better to find a script that requires more memory and delete it. Also, in some cases, your host may not permit you to increase the memory at all. In these cases, you can either contact your host and ask them to increase the memory, or you can track down the script and delete it. The first place you want to look to find the script is your plugins. If you installed a WordPress plugin shortly before this error occurred, then that is most likely the cause. You can check our video on how to disable WordPress plugins in cPanel to disable your plugins. More often than not, a plugin would be responsible. If you, however, go through the steps to disable plugins and it doesn't solve the problem, then the next place to look is your currently active theme. We have a video on how to disable your theme using cPanel too. I will link them in the description below as well. This is how you can fix the memory limit exhausted error in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.